the latest versions of Python. So the best idea is like whenever we install the Python, so we need to take the latest versions of it. So let's come to this, click on this downloads. Okay, so here, once you click on these downloads, we can see the latest version of Python which is available. So currently it is 3.12.4. So this is the versions available. Just click on it, it gets downloaded. So once it's downloaded, what you do is you just take that file from the list. Okay, and you can go to some path in your local hard disk and you can paste it here. Okay. Now, the next step is we have to install it. Just click on it, do a right click and click on this run as administrator. We come to this, click on this use admin, click on this customize installation. They both has to be checked. Okay. Now come to this customize. Next option. Click on this install Python 3.12 and okay, let this path be in the C column itself. Suppose if you want to install in D column, there you need to create one folder. So in that case, that error will not come. So now the installation is going on. So it hardly takes some 5 minutes. It takes for installation. And one more thing I want to say that actually this is 64-bit. So when we're using the Windows system, you have to make sure they're using the 64-bit exe. All the libraries, everything gets installed. So once it is done, you'll be getting the message as setup was successful. Okay, just close the screen. Just close everything. Now we need to see like whether Python is installed or not successful. So that we need to see. Okay, just go to the command prompt, enter cmd, the run mode. It goes to default path. Here you can give, you want to check the version of Python, right? So Python, you can make it lowercase, Python, give version. Okay. So it comes as Python version is 3.12.4. Okay, if this message is coming means it means that Python is successfully installed and you are ready to work on this Python software. Okay. If you get some other error message, in that case you need to troubleshoot it, like why that error is coming. Okay, so this is one way of checking. Second is suppose we want to go and check the program whether it's working or not. Any basic commands you want to give me, go to start. See here, all these things are there. You need to select this one, Python.3.12, 64. Okay, this is the exe. So by default, it goes to this particular path. So you can, this is the interpreter mode. So what you have to give is, you just give the basic command. Hello world, you can give. Just see how it works. Okay, so it displays this message. Okay, so it means now we want to come out of it. Control Z. Okay, so thanks for joining the session. So it's so next we'll see that how we're going to do the programming in Python. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.